Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla. And this channel is where we break down the best financial hacks, tips, credit card tips, and ways to level up your credit game. If you are dealing with a bad credit situation right now and feel like American Express is totally out of your reach, think again. I have got a real life hack for you that actually works to get into the Amex ecosystem even if your credit is less than perfect. So stick around until the end and I will explain step by step how you can make this happen. Okay, let's get straight into it. A lot of people think American Express is this exclusive club where you need to have an excellent credit to get in, to even dream of getting one of those credit cards. And yeah, it is true that Amex has that prestige for a reason. But I'm here to tell you that there is actually a way to build relationship with Amex, even if your credit isn't in the best shape. This had worked because you will be leveraging the business checking account that Amex offer. So let me explain to you how that works. Let's dive into the detail. The first things you need is to open a American Express business checking account. It's pretty straightforward. If you have a business or even a side hustle with an EIN number, which means the employer identification number, you can easily apply. So don't worry, this step doesn't require you to have an amazing credit at all, so you can get this done. How it works. So if you have a business or even a side hustle, like I mentioned, you can apply for the Amex business checking account with your EIN. You don't need any stellar credit to open this checking account at all. The best way to get approved is ensure that you have a legitimate business with an EIN. If you don't have an EIN, you can easily apply for one through the IRS website. Complete this process, get your EIN, and then go ahead and open your business checking account with Amex. So why this is special? Basically, because by opening this account, you are building relationship with Amex. So this shows the bank that you are a responsible business owner, and even if your personal credit isn't perfect, plus a checking account doesn't involve a hard credit inquiry at all. So you already gonna start building a relationship with them without a hurt your personal credit score. The pros of this is no hard credit check required, build trust and rapport with Amex, and also provide access to the Amex banking products. The con side is you need to have an EIN. So if you don't have it, this can delay the process, but you can get it anyway. So here is the important part. You are not just opening a checking account and hoping for the best. You are building a relationship with Amex. Open a high yield saving accounts while you are on it, and they offer a competitive rates around 4.5% more or less. I believe that's the one right now, which is nice, which is a nice bonus right there that you can consider. Plus, showing activity in both checking and savings accounts will help to build the profile with Amex when you are ready to get into the credit cards game. How does leverage a high yield savings accounts works? Once you open your business checking accounts, you can also open the American Express high yield savings account. So the pro of this savings account is earns high interest on your savings and also helps establish more activities in your Amex relationship. On the con side, requires you to deposit funds and maintain savings there. So you have to let it be for a while, let it sit there in order to get this place going. The best way to get approved, basically open both the business checking account and the high yield savings account simultaneously or together at the same time. Show regular activity in both of them, deposit and withdraw in both account from time to time. That way you have some movement there and that will be good to go. So now here is where it gets interesting. Many people make this mistake of applying for the Amex business credit card first, thinking that is the best way to get in, but actually it's not. Here is the issue. Amex will pull your credit again if you apply for for a personal credit card later, leading to a multiple hard increase in your personal credit, and we don't want that. In order to avoid that, this is the hack. Always apply for a personal Amex credit card first. It doesn't matter which product is, whether it's in the platinum, the gold, or whatever the one you choose. Go ahead and do a personal one first. Once you are approved, you can then go for the business credit card. The key here is that Amex won't pull your credit a second time after you are in the system with your personal credit card. Why this is special? Well, because American Express is unique in that they won't dig you with multiple inquiries once you are already in their ecosystem. So this is a great deal. The only thing that you have to do is get into the door with a personal credit card first and then go for the business credit cards. These make them one of the best companies to build relationship with over the time. So what I need to tell you here is after you apply for your business credit cards, the next thing I must tell you is you need to use your business credit card regularly but wisely. So don't cut meat or don't get into trouble or overspending things that you cannot afford there later on, because you don't want to get in the bad side of Amex. Keep a low balance and pay it off and things like that. So the best way is that by the end of the cycle, they report at least 1% or six max utilization. I would say the highest it should be a 10% utilization, but not more than that. So now you might be thinking, but wait, I have got bad credit. So how I'm gonna get this going? How does this help me? When you when like I mentioned before, because you are opening a business checking account and start managing responsibly, Amex begins to see you as a low risk customer because you are in their ecosystem already, especially as you showing positive accounts activities, deposit, withdraw here and there, and over time, your chances of getting approved for the personal Amex card is increases. This is the best way to get in if you have a bad credit. So what I will tell you this is stay in Amex good grace because you don't want to get in Amex jail at all. To make this hack work even better, here is a couple of pro tips to keep in mind. First, use the Amex business checking account regularly, depositing and withdraw, like I mentioned before. This helps showing activity. Then, second, pay off your business credit card charges quickly to show your financial that you are financially responsible. And third, don't rush the process. Build the relationship with them for months before you going for the big game with the credit cards. Okay, now let's break down the pros and cons of this strategy. On the pro side, let's say that you can get the access to Amex even with less than perfect credit. Another one, you can build a relationship with one of the top credit card companies in the world. And another one is no multiple inquiries once you are in their system if you go in for the personal credit card first. On the con side, this process takes time because you have to season your relationship. It's not an overnight success story, but it works. Another cons is you will need a business with an EIN in order to open that checking account. But overall, if you are patient, this strategy is a golden ticket for you. And there you have it. That is it for today hacks. If you find this video helpful, please share this information with some other people that might be interested in the Amex ecosystem. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you have tried this or you knew about this information. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.